Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. I hope you are all fine, by the grace of Allah. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make restaurant-style chicken bread without an oven. At a first step, take a bowl and add all-purpose flour, 1 1/5 cups, and add 1 1/5 teaspoons of yeast. Add 1/5 teaspoon salt. Add 1/5 teaspoon sugar. Mix well. Add half a cup or 1 tablespoon of milk. Add 2 teaspoons of oil. Mix well. Add water and make a soft dough. Add 2 teaspoons of oil and keep it to one side until it rises up. While the dough rises, let's prepare the filling. Take a pan. Add 1 1/5 tablespoons of oil. Preheat the oil. Add 2 chopped onions. Fry until the color changes. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste and saute for 2 minutes. Add 2 chopped green chilies. Fry for 1 minute. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes to the mix. Add salt to taste. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 1/5 teaspoon red chili powder and saute for 1 minute. Add 200 grams of boiled chicken. Mix well. Add red chili flakes and cook until the chicken color changes to a light brown. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. And 1/5 cup of milk. Cook for 2 minutes. or until the mixture is thick. Hardly 1 to 2 minutes. Step 3. Our dough has risen. Let's knead the dough and make medium-sized balls. Now roll it in any shape. One side should be thin. Now add the prepared chicken mixture. Fold it, as shown in the video. Step 4. Take a pan. Heat the chicken bread and apply the egg yolk. Add sesame seeds. Close the lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. After 5 minutes, turn the sides and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. Our chicken bread is almost ready. Take it out and serve it. I hope you all like my video. Try it and share the review with me. If you like my video, please share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified of my upcoming new videos. Stay happy and spread the happiness. Bye bye. Take care.